Welcome back, friends. I'm here with another air fryer recipe that I'm going to be trying out today. I have never cooked salmon or fish for that matter in the air fryer, so I'm a little excited. I got this beautiful piece of salmon that I'm going to be using today. I'm carrying on with the carnivore diet. I am loving it so much, and lately I've just been craving salmon. But it is the middle of winter here in Wisconsin, and it is so cold. And sometimes, like, even though the sun is shining, don't let it deceive you. Like, it's no bueno. So, let me see here. I got this. It's 1 pound of Atlantic salmon. And I believe it's like fresh caught and all the things. Sorry about my camera work here. But, that's gonna be my lunch, and I'm gonna serve it with a little bit of goat cheese on top, just for a little bit of extra. So, yeah, let's take it from here, and I'll show you how I'm gonna cook this amazingness. Hey guys, so what I'm gonna do now that I've opened up the package, I'm just gonna lightly pat the meat just to get some of that liquid off, get a bit of that moisture. So, and then I'm going to do the same with the back side with the scales. Boom. And next up, I'm going to take a little bit of parchment paper and place it just on the inside here of the basket of my air fryer. I've seen people not put the liner in before, but you know, it's such a nice piece of meat. I don't know that I want to risk it. So I'm just going to take the piece here and just place it inside, and that should be good to go then, right? And then from here now, I'm going to drizzle this with some avocado oil and then dust it with some Himalayan pink sea salt. About the avocado oil I use, I just get the one from Aldi. It does really well, non-GMO, which is super important because you don't want people messing with your food, right? So I'm just going to do a little bit of this. Ooh, come out of there, girlfriend. Okay. Then I'm actually just going to take this bit of paper and just kind of move it all around so that it's evenly distributed. You're probably like, Renee, like, what are you doing? This is ridiculous. Okay. And then, get rid of that. And then I'm just going to dust this with the Himalayan pink salt, which I also get at Aldi. So, all right, I need to put the camera down now so that I can do my thing. Okay, so I'm gonna place the meat in the air fryer. I just have a basic Farberware brand. It works a treat. It's not the biggest, but it does such a great job, and it's great for just those little meals that you need. All right, so we're gonna turn this to about 360. And we're gonna turn it on for 10 to 12 minutes. All right, we'll see how she does. Got my thermometer, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna check to make sure it should be at 145 degrees to make sure that it's well done. Let me see here, getting in the thicker part of it. Okay, so not, oh, well, that part's done. You saw that. Yeah. All right, let's put it in for a few more minutes. Here you have it, guys. It turned out beautifully. Beautiful color, nice golden, crispy top, and yeah, it looks amazing. And you can see how well it's cooked through. Very simple, super delicious. Give it a try, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you tried cooking your salmon this way, or what your favorite way to cook your salmon or other seafood and fish is. So I am going to tuck into this delicious morsel, and make sure you subscribe and like so you can catch the next videos. All right, take care, guys. Bye.